if you've ever tried to send or receive a large amount on Cash App and hit that frustrating limit, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to increase your Cash App limit step by step so you can send, receive, and keep as much money as you need without interruptions. First, open your Cash App and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. From there, scroll down and look for the Limits option inside the Account and Settings section. This is where you can see your current sending and receiving limits. To raise those limits, you'll need to verify your identity. Cash App will ask for 3 key pieces of information: your full legal name, your date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number. This verification process is crucial. It's what allows Cash App to confirm that you're over 18 and eligible for higher limits. Once you submit your information, Cash App reviews your account. After approval, your sending and receiving limits increase significantly, and your Cash App balance limit can even become unlimited. That means no more worrying about hitting the cap when sending money to friends, making purchases, or cashing out big payments. A quick tip: always double-check the limits section after verification to confirm that the upgrade went through. And remember, if your information doesn't match public records, Cash App may ask you to resubmit or provide additional verification. And that's it. You've successfully increased your Cash App limit. Now you can enjoy smoother transactions and have full access to everything Cash App offers. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and simple guides just like this. And if you have questions about Cash App, drop them in the comments. I'll be happy to cover them in future videos.